Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a spiked apple cider. This apple cider is so delicious, and it's also a little bit different too, because we're spiking it with some rum as well as we're making it a punch. So let's get started. One thing I really love about this apple cider is you can have it hot or cold. For me, it's still pretty hot outside, but I want to be in the fall cheery mood and I want some apple cider. So I'm making mine cold today, but you can also have it hot. So let's start making it. The first thing I'm going to be adding in is my fruit. So today I have just one sliced apple as well as one sliced orange, like so. And I'm gonna just add all of this in. Now we can add in our spices. So today I have a 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar that I'm going to be adding in, if it wants to come out. There we go. As well as 2 teaspoons of whole cloves, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we can add in our apple cider, and we have a lot of apple cider going into this recipe. We have 2 quarts or 8 cups, and this today is 2 quarts, so I can just add all of this in. Now you're going to want to turn on your heat and give everything a stir together and bring it to a boil, but once it reaches a boil, you can turn down the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. And then you'll almost be done. Now that our apple cider has simmered for 10 minutes, we can turn off the heat and we're actually going to strain it now. But if you want yours hot, this is perfect and you can just add in your booze. But for me, I'm making mine cold today, so I'm going to strain it and then pop it in the fridge until it's nice and cool. Okay, here we go. Now that our spiced apple cider is cool, we can add in our booze. So today I'm adding in 1½ cups of spiced rum, but if you want to keep this kid friendly, stop right now and this will be perfect. But today I'm taking it to a party, so we're gonna want a little booze in it. Oh, I perfectly finished that bottle. That was awesome. I did not know that. And now we can just pour it in. Now this is optional, but I always love to have fresh fruit and punches. So today I sliced up some apples and oranges. I also ate a lot of the apples and oranges that I cooked to make this. Oh, my pitcher is too small. My apples don't want to go inside. Alright, so I'll put a few of these guys in. I'm kind of running out of room here, as you can see. Alright, I'll finish it. And give everything a stir. Make sure your alcohol is completely stirred in. And now it's time to drink it, the best part. So I have a glass with some ice in it, which is starting to melt a little bit because it's really hot outside. But now we can pour it in and hopefully I don't make a mess while I do that. Okay, and here we have a full glass of apple cider, and I always love to garnish my drinks. So today I'm taking a little sliver of orange, putting it on the side, as well as a slice of apple. And also, because we have so much cinnamon, I'm adding a cinnamon stick in. I love cinnamon sticks, and it's a natural little stir for your drink. So, oh, and it fell down. Well, never mind. Now the best part, getting to taste it. It's so good. It's so nicely spiced with all the seasonings that we put in. I absolutely love it. And you just have that little hint of the rum in there, which I love. It's not too overpowering, so I absolutely love this drink, and I think it's perfect for fall. Even though it's not really fall weather outside, I am in the fall spirit. I think it's so good. And I just want to say a really special thank you to Waiting on Martha, who I got this recipe from, because it's absolutely delicious. So thank you very much. I love it, and I hope you guys love it too. Also, if you guys really like punches, I have made a bunch of them because I love them. So there should be a playlist right over here or over here of all of my punches. So go check it out if you want to. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!